I see people are traumatized by the fact that they're gonna be alone. That simply indicates the lack of self love. आजकल लोग सोचते हैं कि यार हमारे पास कोई होना चाहिए, कोई है नहीं जिससे हम बात कर सकते हैं या जिसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. If you lose somebody, so you start feeling like कि it's the end of the world. You need to realize and understand that अगर आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे तो how can you expect people to love you? You need to learn to love yourself first. अब आपने ये अक्सर सुना होगा कि लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं कि यार it's quite traumatizing after someone leaves us or someone we are very close to, whether it's a family member or someone you were in love with. Then how to just move on with their lives? It's not that easy. इससे पहले मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था इसके बारे में. I'll just pop up the link down there and you can even see it in the fact that कि your thoughts starts clouding vision about life. Life में ना कुछ goals, dreams, passion ये होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आपकी लाइफ में ये नहीं है ना, I don't think anybody will actually like you because everybody likes a person who's dedicated in their lives because of very few people you'll see they're chasing their dreams and goals. Got to be one of them. We as human beings have much more liberty than these animals who are caged. On the other hand, we are the people who can move, who can think, who can do as they will. But just because we choose to not do that, we make temporary cages for our brain, our mind, our body, our thoughts, and we cage ourselves in it. And we still know that we are caging ourselves. We still like being caged. Every time we confront any kind of situation in our life, we always have choices. The choices where we need to choose what decision we want to take. We want to be caged by our thoughts, or we want to fucking move on and do something about those thoughts. It's our decision. Totally. First of all, you need to stop letting people take decisions for your life and control your actions and mood. Actually, they are not, but indirectly they are. If you're letting that cage open up and let them in. Thoughts which are troubling you should be your personal thoughts and no one else has to be intruded in them. Take control of your life. Take control of your actions. You choose your will. See, now often people will tell you that you took a wrong decision. Then let me tell you, no decision is wrong. If you chose something and you stick by it and you plan on doing it, just do it. It's your decision. It's your choice. You chose it. It's your will. And if you're happy with it, then the people have nothing to do with it. People don't care about your happiness. They care about their own happiness. They just have a viewpoint for everything that is happening around them. You need not accept their viewpoints. It's your life. Next time you plan on doing something in your life, just ask yourself one simple question. Am I going to regret it in the coming years or not? And if the answer is a no, you got this. Even if things don't turn out as you are expecting them to, don't fear it. At least you got your own will. You got your own choices. You made them, you chose them. The results are yours. The choices are yours. It's everything yours. Your life is in control. You are in control.